The boss is back. Welcome back, family. Thank you so much for all of your support.
Missing inside of you, just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe. Got so tired of waiting, got tired of the chase. I've been feeling like lately there's nothing in.
A portion of this video is sponsored. Hey family, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new, my name is Linda / the boss. I am so glad to have you here. Please don't forget to like this video, share with your friends and your family. Don't forget to subscribe and smash the bell icon for every time the boss upload a new video. Today's video, I will be giving you more decorating ideas for fall 2022 for your living room. I hope you enjoy. A big thank you to this company for sponsoring a portion of this video. The link will be in my description box down below. Guys, this is what I am going to review today, sent to me by a company. Check the description box for the link. Guys, this garland perfect for your fall decor, your entryway, your tablescape, for everything. Check the description box for the link. Keep on watching and you are going to see how I am going to use it in my living room, my outdoor. Thank you so much for stopping by.
You need some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on.
Coucou la famille, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Je me présente, mon nom est Linda / le patron. Si c'est votre première fois ici, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner, liker, partager et d'activer la cloche de notification pour ne pas manquer aucune de mes vidéos et de me laisser un petit commentaire. Merci beaucoup pour votre soutien affectueux. À la prochaine. Bonjour, bonsoir, amis, famille, moi, comment vous allez? Si c'est la première fois tomber sur channel ça, moi, c'est Linda et m'a dit bienvenue. Sur channel ça, me poster en pile idée déco. Moi, t'as remis pour faire partie de famille là. S'il te plaît, pas oublier abonner, partager, quitter un petit message pour moi. Merci en pile pour support. N'a pas voir dans le prochain épisode encore. C'était amis Linda / the boss. T'as pour pas oublier partager avec amis et famille.
Is an humble kind that will be a lie. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble and everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. With his humble and everlasting ego. It's a sour taste in it. It's a sour taste. To be fooled again, honey. To be fooled again. Stole my heart and ripped it into pieces. Yes, you did. You know it's not the way I planned. No, it's not the way I want it. No, it's not the things I meant. Know that I'm not being honest. Not the way I wanted us to make sense.
Like I always said, you might like it, love it, or hate it. Please let me know in the comment down below. For some of you, it might be too much or too simple. Thank you so much for stopping by. In your home is your happy place. It should be welcoming and relaxing. Design it to your liking. Design by the boss. From the Collections 2022, let the design flow.
All our flaws, all our flaws, all our flaws, all our flaws, all our flaws. It's a cold embrace, ain't it? It's a big mistake to be falling back to the stuff we know will fail. Stole my thoughts for no given reason, none at all. No, it's not the way I planned. No, it's not the way I wanted. No, it's not the things I meant. Know that I'm not being honest. Not the way I wanted us to make sense. I just wanna be the one who loves you. I just wanna be the one. Face the heat and maybe make a promise and make it through all our flaws, 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 all our flaws. Hey, you better make it worth it. Just stay, just stay. I just wanna be the one who loves you. I just wanna be the one. Face the heat and maybe make a promise and make it through all our flaws, all our flaws. Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind all the smoke is in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby, you got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
Okay family, this is the garland. As you can see, I hope you like this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please let me know in the comment down below. Don't forget to check the description box for the link. A big thank you to this company for sponsoring the version of this video. Guys, like I said, this garland is perfect for your fall decor, like your entryway, living room, and your tablescape. Thank you so much for stopping by.
Where you wanna go? I am all about adventure times. Another drink and I'll go anywhere. The way you smile, like a flash in the universe. 'cause I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying,
thank you so much for watching. See you next time.